So Chuck didn't come back today, so I don't get to throw him off because I think he's gonna come back Monday. Maybe, I don't know. He probably gonna come back today because he just left the roof open. Now I don't know if you guys watch the weather, but there's some storms coming, red and yellow ones. That's usually not good. So, but this is day 3 or 4. We still haven't finished this little part in this valley right here, but it's done wrong anyway, so I guess it don't matter. But look at this though, right? So I understand he don't care about his own customer and throwing stuff in the debris. How are they just gonna have it over in the other person's yard, right? So, because we don't get to throw him off today, and whoever knows me just knows I'm just an asshole, we're about to go on this roof. We're about to see how bad it really is. Well, we're gonna see if they're gonna call the cops. I don't know. I don't care. Cause see, people like you guys need to know this. Alright, let's go see what he did. What the fuck? Look at this flashing. Look at that. So he stopped. That's the big. Look at this. So he left the old stuff. This shit's so crazy. Holy shit. Look at this. Look at this nail line. That's your nail line. Look where this guy's nailing. Well, he hit that one, kind of. Look at this. These things are gonna, these shingles are gonna just come right off. He racked them. Oh, and this is watertight. Hold on. So, oh, okay. I was gonna say, so he tore some of it off, but left some of it. But this guy's roof's completely open, and it's about to rain, right? And anybody that's done roofing knows that if you're gonna watertight it, you tuck it under the shingle, right? Now let's go look at this valley they fucked up. It's so funny, they don't even know I'm on the roof right now. Right? Look at this though, it's crazy. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's see what they did over here. Alright, so we didn't clean it good enough. And anybody that does roofing, this shingle right here, right? So the water's gonna come down, and they did wrap this correctly, but this shingle's supposed to be under here. And people get this, right? Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys really simple, right? Now I admit, you know, I didn't go to school and I wasn't a very good reader, but they got pictures. They got pictures on here how to do it. You see that? They explain to you how to do it. There's about the nail line. That's where you're supposed to put the nail. Look, you see this where it says this is how you put them on? And you see how they stepped it or racked them? They racked them, right? But, so get that right. Let me turn this around. So, now you guys can continue saving money, but understand this, right? Is it saving money if you have to do the roof twice? Right? And now we ain't gonna say why they didn't let me do it. You know, since my mom does live next door, but whatever. We see what they got. Right? You guys have a lovely day, lovely weekend, and just know, Chuck, I'm coming for you, bro. You're so lucky you wasn't here, I was throwing you off here. Oh, look, this is how they watertighted this. Right? Hey, that's how they watertighted that, man. This is crazy. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna get off here before they call the cops. All right? So, tell you what. You have a friend. It's kind of like letting friends drink and drive, right? Don't let your friends hire Chuck, man. You don't want them to hire Chuck. Trust me. That's what you get. You seen it. You seen it. Look, it's crazy. He's like, I should take his stuff. I'm not gonna take his stuff. I'm sorry. I was just playing about that one. But, anyways, you guys have a great weekend, and I hope you guys had some laughs, if anything. Right? You know, so you're the same guy, man. Hey, why don't you just leave that roof alone? It's gonna leak.
Where?
All over. You did the whole fucking roof wrong. The whole fucking roof.
How'd I do it wrong?
But because you don't know how to read fucking directions.
Well, because I didn't do the 6 to 8, 6 to 10. You know, you're supposed to do 3 sections.
But no, what you're supposed to do, code is 24 to 36 inches past your heated internal wall. So yeah, you're correct. You would probably have to do about 4 and a half. You could do 1 row and then a half a row. That's how it would code. So what you're saying is it's not even up to code. But also, because see, what happened was you left your shit here, because I was going to throw you off this bitch Saturday. When you left your shit here, I climbed up there, right? And I Facebook Lived it. You know what I'm saying? Good thing I don't know your name, so I ain't gonna ruin your fucking name. Because like really, if I had your nail gun, I would put it to this thing to show them with a nail gun, that's the new people robbing people. Because you just took money from these people because their shit's gonna leak because you racked it. You ain't supposed to fucking rack architectural shingles. And I'm sorry that I'm cussing, but this shit's fucked up. And I don't even know what the fuck you're doing with that metal. Did you know you forgot a fucking flashcard over here?
Yeah.
Oh, now you put it back. Oh, you just ran out that day? Huh?
Wrapping it around.
No, you don't know what to... All right, so I'll tell you what. What I'm going to do is when I get back, I'm going to jump the fuck up there. And I'm going to show them how much you don't fucking know. But if you want, I'll leave my fucking card, and I'll teach you how to fucking do your job.
I got one right now.
Yeah?
Water.
What the fuck you mean? Yeah, I love money. All right, I'm going to leave my card on the fucking fence. Give me a call, and I'll show you how to do the shit. Now, whatever, dude. Listen. Shit's crazy. I don't know why you guys just quit being robbed. I'm gonna show you what's happening right now. And this is the best way that I can explain it. The only way that I think I can get it through. Okay? Come here. Where's my... Look at this. You see this? This is the new stick-up guy with a nail gun. They like this. They robbing you. They taking your money. That house, probably about $4,000 or more. That's what that guy just got. With this gun, not a real gun. That's what they're using. Stop being a victim, man, of chucking the truck in a van and whatever this guy's got, man.
So I'm sure you guys all remember this house, right? Look, I want to show you something. Look at that. They're fixing that. They're fixing that flashing. What's up, man? Why you fixing the flashing? They just did that roof.
What is that?
Why you fixing the flashing? They just did that roof.
No, I think they, the chimney. You're leaking.
No, I know they just did it. Like 4 years ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I don't know, but it's leaking.
Yeah, they forgot flashcards.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got video of it. That's why I'm showing them right now, because I showed them where they fucked it up. And I got it on video. Everybody's like, why are you yelling at that guy? He's just doing his job. But it's 4 years. That roof's not even 4 years old. And you're fucking up there repairing it. What? Right where you're at, there's a flashcard missing. On that bottom. I got the video. Like I said, they fucked up that whole roof. This is your house? Huh? Hey, you might want to fix that part. There's a spot in the front you might want to fix. You want me to show you where the spot in the front's gonna leak? No, I know you bought the house. I'm saying I seen this house get installed. I got it on video. Right? They fucked the whole house up. The whole roof's fucked up. Yeah. Well, what I'm saying is you got a flashcard missing. Underneath that metal, there's a flashcard missing. That might be causing it. That might help. If not, you can just ask my mom. I do roofs. All right? In the front, though, you're going to have a problem leaking.